Hey YouTubers, I'm gonna show you how to make a paper wallet. Okay. Let me see. First, you change it. You fold it hamburger style.
Hamburger style.
Then you unfold it, then fold it hot dog style.
Hot dog style.
Unfold it. Now fold it. Now fold the two edges to the middle. Now unfold. Now unfold it. Scissors. Now you need scissors. Wait 1 second, I'll go get the scissors. Okay, now you cut like, let's say, 1 inch of these 6 places. Don't do that. Go back to where you were. Now you fold it. Now you fold this one to this line. Now what you do is you turn it around. This. No. Oh, sorry. What you do? You fold it, hamburger style. Then you fold this from this edge to the line, unfold it, and cut it. And unfold everything. Now, take this. No, you take this. You do this. Is it messed up? Now you fold this over here. Wait, no. Fold it over here. Now you turn it around. And you fold this inside and this inside and close it. You should get this. You should get something that looks like this. Now you see, there's 2 slots right here and here. So you take this and tuck it into this slot. The slot behind it. Now you take this one and slide it into the slot in front of it. You do the same thing to the other side. And then fold it in half, and there's your wallet. You open it up, you put your cards in here and in here, and put your money in here. Here's one wallet I made
out of graffiti.
What the fuck? I printed out paper, printed out graffiti, and made it pretty awesome.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's how you make it.